how to fix Valorant Graphics Driver Crash. First things first, go to your Windows icon right here, type in Device Manager, click OK, and then from here, you'll have to go to Display Adapters and double click on your current graphics card. And then from here, go to Driver and then click Update Driver. And here you can go ahead and search automatically for drivers, or you can go ahead to browse my computer for drivers. And then here, just go ahead and let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Click on your current graphics card and then click next and install it. Now, second thing to do is you go back to your Windows search and type in percent local app data percent. Click OK. Now look for your Valorant folder. Just press V on your keyboard, open it up, go to save and config. And from here, you just have to delete this folder, crash report client. And once deleted, you go back all the way to saved, and then um, you go ahead and open up a web cache and then delete all files that inside this folder, or you can go back and just delete the folder itself. Now once you've done that, just restart your PC and try to relaunch your Valorant. So that's how you fix Valorant graphics driver crash.